Hello, Persist here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues or problems with Slack app on your phone. So, first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, find your Slack app, Slack. Check if you have the newest version of the app like me. If you have the newest version, everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So, first way, go up to the settings, go to the apps, go to the see all, finder, permissions, contacts, and every single one of those not allowed permissions, opaque, mobile data and Wi-Fi, unrestricted data usage on. After this, everything should be cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way to fix is just by reinstalling the app like this. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.